We met at a wedding.
He introduced himself to me and he was like, hey, my name is Carlos.
We started flirting right away and whatever. We were just teenagers, you know.
But we became friends after that.
We didn't see each other again for several years.
A few years ago, we met up again in LA.
We started dating from then, and 1 year later, basically, we got married.
How often do you say, I love you?
Oh, no, I mean, mi amor, that's always his, you know, my love.
We call each other amor a lot, which just means love.
So how would you describe your feelings without using the word love?
Gosh, that's a really hard question. He's like home, I guess. A really cheesy thing to say, but it's true. My husband is home.
I live for her happiness. Whatever she wants, I want her to have it. I want that smile every day in the morning.
He's very, very honest and kind. He's really good about reminding me that we're a family and that no matter what, like, we're gonna be okay.
I wake up in the morning next to this beautiful woman, married, and I just say, wow, how did I end up here?